पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. In this video, we are going to discuss the breaking news of Reliance Industries that it is expected that two more foreign investors are going to invest in the Geo Platforms Limited company. I am Varun Agarwal, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now and hit the bell icon, because in this video I am going to discuss the investment strategy also, which will help you take the right decision of investing in Reliance Industries. So let's get started. As you know that recently in the last 3 weeks, Reliance Industries Limited has brought an investment of about 60,596 crores in Reliance Jio Infocom Limited, which is a subsidiary of Reliance. This sum, if we consider the rights issue value of about 53,000 crores, will help Reliance Industries to make its debts completely zero and become a debt-free company. And all this investment is coming in Jio Platforms Limited, which is a subsidiary of Reliance Industries Limited. The Reliance Industries price after the announcement of these recent deals went up around 25% in the last 30 days in spite of the market being so volatile. But is the movie really over? It's not. There is a lot more to come. So there are two more new deals expected, and this information has come out from Reuters news agency and Bloomberg News. Two more firms are eyeing stake in Geo platforms. The first one being a US based PE firm called General Atlantic, which is planning to invest around 850 million dollars to $950 million, which if converted into INR is around 6,375 crores to 7,125 crores. So they are planning to invest this much in Geo platforms, and this deal may be completed within a month itself. The second investment which may come from is from the Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund. Considering this fund is considering to buy a minority stake in Geo Platforms Limited. So these are the two big new deals or news which is expected to come in the near future, and this will surely have a big impact on the Reliance Industries price. So even if the market corrects and it falls as the other lot of known people in the market are projecting, Reliance Industries may continue to grow, or it may stick to the current levels, or even if it falls, it will surely rise back very quickly. So what can be our investment strategy when it comes to Reliance Industries? I see that there are many people who are going on waiting for a fall in Reliance Industries to buy the stock, and it is continuously increasing every day, and we are feeling disappointed. So I thought that there could be a averaging strategy which could be applied instead of just waiting to buy the stock and watching the screen and seeing that its price is continuously rising. So what we can do is we can divide our investment into four parts. This is only an educational video. We are discussing our viewpoints. I am not recommending anything in this video. Just for a learning purpose, we are taking an example and discussing this as a case study. So let us divide our investment into four parts, and the first part we can invest at a reasonable price which is available, whatever price is available in the market right now. You can see a couple of days, choose a probable uh, price and invest the first installment. So let us assume that the current closing price of 1562 is our first investment price. This is only an assumption. After that, we can keep averaging at every 7% fall. So 7% is not an exact number I am giving you. I am giving you a rough estimate which can be around 7 to 8% or even 10% if the market corrects hugely. So if we keep investing the second, third and fourth installment at a 7% average fall, it will come around to these figures which are there on your screen. The second installment will come at around 1452 rupees. The third installment of your investment will be at around 1350 rupees, and the fourth installment which will be around 1256 rupees. Surprisingly, this is almost equal to the rights issue price. So this is just a coincidence, but if we keep investing at a gap of 7% in between all our investment installments, we will be investing our last installment around 1256 rupees. So this is, I feel, is a fair trend which we can expect if the stock starts moving downwards. And now there may be questions in your mind which I am going to answer in the next slide. What if it falls below the rights issue price? I feel it's a very rare scenario that the market falls so much and the Reliance Industries share falls below the rights issue price of about 1257 rupees. Because in our example, giving a 7% margin on every fall, we are taking into account almost 21% fall from the current levels, which is more, I feel most of the fall is accommodated in that margin of safety which we are considering. But still, if the market completely crashes, what should you do? You can either hold because this is a very safe investment, or you can have another round of investment to average your current investment. But that we are discussing in a very worst case scenario. But what if it becomes the other way around and there are good news coming up like these two deals and better performances or better announcements, and the share price keeps rising? So if it keeps rising also, it's not going to be a straightforward rise. There will be few dips in between. So you can start buying on dips and start averaging on the upside. But this you will do only if the market is also having an uptrend. But even after averaging on the rise, you'll still keep your fourth installment in your hand, so that you are prepared for a worst case scenario of another downfall. So this is what I feel could be a good strategy to invest in this stock. As I said, this is only an example which we are discussing. You can apply your mind and come up with your own strategy, and you can also share with me in the comments so that I also learn from you. I feel every day is a learning process and we are just exchanging knowledge, and we will keep growing, keep learning as we talk to each other. So thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment below how you like this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.